Hi. For a file in my folder, when I use sendto, I find some directories where the files can be sent. But I want to add more places to the list like downloads and other drives to it for my ease of access. So, for that simply come to run by pressing Windows and R. Type send:/sendto. This will show you the total directory list. Now to add downloads directory to this, we just need to drag and drop. And a link is created here. If you want, you can rename it and remove the shortcut word. I am also adding local disk E to the list. Now, if I test, the download directory is there. Also the local disk E. So, this is how you can simply add any folder to Windows sendto menu easily. Please be with us and subscribe to Inspire for more such videos. Goodbye.